And since there's no video on it yet, this is our Help Helen Smash bathroom. Comes complete with Help Helen Smash toilet. That clogs instantly. I think we've clogged it 5 times so far. One time it was dangerously clogged. I mean, the theme of this hotel room is squares. CJ, hey.
Hello. Hi.
How are you?
Good. Are you recording?
Yes, I am.
Don't get out of focus now.
Well, there is no autofocus on this one. Be interesting since it's...
I just said I'm a purple fox. Exactly. I'm like a...
So that's like the new
Yep. So there you go.
Is that good?
Yep. How's your con so far?
Oh, great. I love it.
Love
my
the
first con shooting, so...
Yeah.
Like both convention, but first con shooting.
Mm-hmm.
Been pretty good. Been pretty good.
Nice.
No complaints at all. Actually, it's probably been the best Anthrocon so far I've ever been to.
Nice.
Yeah, absolutely. I'm not surprised it didn't have that. That's like the my goal is one day to get cool. Wait, I think she's yay! Sorry! Me too.
Which way are we going? We're pulling.
Make them get on their knees.
Hey, you guys are coming there.
I don't want to be a main man.
When I got back, no one tell me I'm here. I'm not talking as much as you guys. I'm just vibing. Okay, fine. You want it?
are you doing?
I'm doing pretty good. I see you're using a really vintage camera over there.
Yeah.
Cool.
Let's see if I pretty much just got your nose. Let me back up.
Okay.
Now you're in full frame.
Cool. Nice. Yeah, that's me.
Interesting. Sorry. This stairwell is acting like a base port, and all you hear is the...
Special shout out and thanks to Liz and Maddie, our superstar patrons. Thanks